Number 1. 1989 Ford F250, price $8,000, powered by a big block gasoline engine and shows 126,000 original miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain, offering a smooth and comfortable driving experience for both daily use and longer trips. The truck runs and drives great, reflecting proper care and consistent maintenance over the years. Finished in a blue exterior with a gray interior, this F250 has a classic and clean appearance that suits its heavy-duty character. The interior remains functional and comfortable, making it a practical choice for work or leisure. It also comes with roll-out cargo storage in the bed, providing added convenience for hauling tools, equipment, or gear, along with a camper top that adds extra utility and protection for cargo. With a clear title in hand and its original mileage, this 1989 Ford F250 stands out as a dependable and honest truck. Number 2. 1995 Ford F350, price $10,000, with only 101,000 original miles. It is powered by a strong 460 cubic inch big block V8 gasoline engine, paired with a reliable E4OD automatic transmission that delivers smooth and confident performance. The truck features a blue exterior complemented by a clean and well-kept gray interior, which remains in excellent condition and reflects the level of care it has received throughout its life. This F350 was owned by the same owner from 1997 through 2025, adding to its appeal and originality. It runs and drives exceptionally well, offering a comfortable and solid driving experience both on the road and under load. The interior is super clean, making it a pleasant place to spend time, while the truck sits on 6 good tires and is completely ready to be driven and enjoyed. Number 3. 1990 Chevrolet Silverado, price $7,800, well-maintained full-size pickup equipped with a gasoline V8 engine, a manual transmission, and a 4x4 drivetrain. The truck has approximately 200,000 miles and is reported to be in excellent overall condition. It runs and drives like a dream, showing strong performance both on and off the road, and is completely ready for daily use. The exterior is finished in a blue paint that still presents very nicely, giving the truck a clean and classic look. Inside, the Silverado features a blue interior that is super clean and well kept, reflecting careful ownership over the years. The cabin remains comfortable and in great shape for its age. Additionally, the truck sits on great tires paired with nice wheels, providing solid traction and a confident stance. Number 4. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. It has 225,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior combined with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, and it runs, drives, and stops exactly as it should. The exterior benefits from newer paint that still looks very good and gives the truck a clean, well-presented appearance. Inside, the interior shows normal wear consistent with its age, including a cracked dashboard, but remains presentable and functional. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is a solid, great-looking hot rod-style truck that is comfortable to drive and suitable for regular use or cruising anywhere with confidence. Number 5. 1998 Chevrolet S10, price $9,000, with only 85,000 miles. It is equipped with a 4.3-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features the desirable ZQ8 2WD sport suspension, giving it a solid and responsive driving feel. Finished in original black paint with a tan interior, it presents very clean overall condition with no rust and has never been driven during winter. Recent upgrades and maintenance include a fresh tune-up, a K&N cold air intake, a Hurst shifter, and 4 new Bilstein shocks. Additional features include a cowl hood, 30% tinted windows, halo headlights with tinted taillights, and classic Craigar Keystone wheels wrapped in Cooper Cobra tires. Number 5. 1995 Nissan Frontier, price $7,000, powered by the reliable 2.4L KA24E engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has just under 95,000 original miles and runs on gasoline. It features a charcoal exterior with a gray interior and comes with the original window sticker as well as a clean Virginia title in hand. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives great and has been freshly serviced. The air conditioning blows cold while the heater works perfectly. It is equipped with good brakes and tires, and the 4x4 system functions properly with manual locking hubs. Performance upgrades include a 240SX camshaft and a long tube header. Additional features include a working radio, a functional PA system, a new headliner, and new rear glass. There are a few honest notes to mention. The truck has minor rust on the fender, bed, and rear bumper. though none of the areas are rusted through.
Number 7.
1987 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior and retains its original paint. The truck is rust-free, with only one noticeable dent, and is powered by its original 350 TBI engine, which runs well and does not produce smoke.
It is paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission.
The bed is in excellent condition and remains perfect overall. The truck does need some work, including addressing a cracked exhaust manifold.
Although it was originally equipped with air conditioning, the system is currently not functioning. Number 8.
1987 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,950, shows 91,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission powered by a gasoline engine. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. The truck comes with power windows and power door locks, as well as dual fuel tanks, adding convenience and practicality for longer drives. Under the hood, it is powered by a Chevrolet 350 small block engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. The truck has been lowered for an improved stance, runs and drives well, and has recently been serviced with a new alternator and a new battery. Overall, it is a nice, clean, old-school Chevrolet truck that has been well maintained, and it comes with a Kentucky title in hand.
Number 9.
1986 GMC 1500, price $5,000. This truck has 172,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a 6.2L Detroit diesel engine paired with a Banks turbo. The truck runs on diesel fuel and features a red exterior with a matching red interior. The previous owner recently replaced the harmonic balancer, and the engine has no issues starting in the morning.
Everything functions properly, including the heat and air conditioning.
It drives great with tight steering, good shocks, and highway gearing that allows it to comfortably cruise at 80 miles per hour. The truck is equipped with dual 20-gallon fuel tanks, both of which were recently replaced.
It also has a brand new alternator and battery installed.
The vehicle comes with a clean title.
Number 10.
1992 Ford F150, price $8,300, equipped with a 5.0-liter engine and an automatic transmission. The vehicle has approximately 230,000 miles and runs on gasoline. It features a floor-shift 4x4 system, making it capable for both daily driving and off-road use. The truck is finished in a green exterior with a brown interior, which is in good overall condition and well maintained for its age. All dashboard gauges and indicators are fully functional. This F-150 comes in a short wheelbase configuration and offers a solid, classic truck feel. The interior remains comfortable and presentable, and the drivetrain delivers reliable performance.
The vehicle comes with a salvage title, which is in hand and ready for transfer.